Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to automate draw.io diagrams with ChatGPT. All right, let's begin. To automate your draw.io diagrams using ChatGPT, you first need to generate the correct XML code. Access ChatGPT and use a prompt asking it to write XML code for a specific workflow chart, such as software development. It is vital to specify that the code must be compatible with draw.io. Be as detailed as possible regarding the nodes and containers you want included in your diagram. If the initial code fails, simply ask ChatGPT to regenerate it, specifically for draw.io compatibility. Once you have the code, copy it and paste it into a Notepad document. Save the file, ensuring you select all files as the type, and manually add the .xml extension to the file name. Next, open draw.io. Navigate to the File menu at the top left. Select Import From, and then choose Device. Locate and open your saved XML file. Your diagram will appear instantly, allowing you to move elements and customize the layout. The more specific your initial prompt, the better your automated results will be. So that's basically how you can automate draw.io diagrams with ChatGPT. That's it for this video. Thanks.